Engineering today, powering tomorrow. SVR Engineers, your global partner in energy solutions.
Engineering today, powering tomorrow. SVR Engineers, building the future of energy.
At SVR, we engineer the future. Global expertise, local commitment. Powering tomorrow.
Civilizations rise on engineering. Industries evolve through intelligence. The future belongs to those who can build both. Across India, America, and the world, industries demand reliability, precision, intelligence, and execution.
SVR Engineers, a next-generation engineering and industrial intelligence company, powered by the vision of EnergyPowerWorld, EnergyPowerCosmic. System is stable. Running analysis. Confirmed. Data looks good. Great. Monitor for anomalies.
From Pune to Florida, from London to worldwide industrial ecosystems, a new engineering network is emerging.
Engineering excellence. Designing safety, delivering reliability. Precision engineering powering industries.
Pipe stress analysis, power cycle engineering, boiler system shutdown optimization, reliability engineering, SVR Engineers, global leaders in procurement and supply chain excellence, delivering smarter solutions worldwide.
Engineering alone is not enough. Execution requires global procurement intelligence, strategic sourcing, and trust industrial ecosystem.
Engineering alone is not enough. Execution requires global procurement intelligence. Engineering alone is not enough. Execution requires global procurement intelligence. Strategic sourcing, precision logistics, and trusted industrial ecosystems. Construction and execution. Engineered today, built for tomorrow. Delivering industrial excellence globally.
Engineering becomes reality through disciplined execution.
Precision construction. And relentless commitment to operational excellence. Industries fail, we respond. Expert diagnostics, AI predictions. We stabilize, we deliver. When industries fail, every second matters.
SVR Engineers delivers rapid response troubleshooting, restoring operational continuity.
EnergyPowerCosmic AI system, intelligent engineering, smarter operations, limitless power, powering the future industry.
The future of industry is intelligent, predictive, interconnected.
Powered by the EnergyPowerCosmic 5D Matrix 1212 framework.
A scalable global industrial platform, integrating engineering, procurement, construction, operations, maintenance, and artificial intelligence. Technology builds systems, but people build civilizations.
The future is engineered. Together, we engineer possibilities.
Engineering today, powering tomorrow.